So at this point, we've secured or added security to 2 of our public-facing forms. Our user registration page we completely hide now from the general public, and our personal contact form has 2 levels of spam protection on it, both with the Honeypot module and Mollum. A form we haven't talked about much is the login form. So if we go back to our site as an incognito user and we go to the user page, we get to the login form. Now a form is particularly critical to add security to if it creates content or if it sends out emails. The login form is kind of special because it does neither, but if somebody does guess somebody's username and password, especially in administrators, then they can cause some serious problems on your site. So the main form of attack to watch out for is brute force login attempts. So this is a bot that's going to the site and submitting this form over and over again with different username password combinations to try to guess one that will get them in. By default though, Drupal has a built-in mechanism to prevent against this. This is called flood control, and it limits the number of login attempts to 5 an hour. It only counts them though if they're of the same username. So if we put in admin for the username, we would get 5 chances this hour to guess the password. Let's give that a try. So I'm going to do it once, try it twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 1 more time. Okay, so now we get this message. There have been more than 5 failed login attempts for this account. It's temporarily blocked. Now this is not the same as a user being blocked. It's just that this account won't be able to try to log in for the next hour. If you find yourself wanting to adjust the settings for flood control, like change the number of times a user can attempt to log in or how long the duration is between attempts, you can use a module called Login Security. This one has a number of different options. Some of them might be more or less useful to you, but it does let you change the number of invalid login attempts.